It is a GATE 2020 question asked for 2 marks on normalization. Now the question is, consider relation R that is in 3NF but not in BCNF. So the complete question lies in the statement 3NF but not in BCNF. Now the question is, which one of the following statements is true? First we'll understand what is 3NF, what is BCNF relation. First, BCNF relation. What BCNF requires is, if there is a non-trivial functional dependency of the form x to a holds, it requires x should be super key. Means if every LHS of functional dependency, if it is super key, then such relations are called BCNF relations. Suppose if LHS not super key, means suppose we have x to a is a functional dependency, x is not super key but R is a prime attribute, then we can call relation is not in BCNF but we can call relation is in 3NF. Now coming to the definition of 3NF, if we have a non-trivial functional dependency of the form x to a holds, 3NF requires that either LHS should be super key or RHS is a prime attribute. We have either R condition. Now, because either R condition is there, the first condition is LHS is super key. If LHS is super key, it is also satisfying the definition of BCNF, means we can call the relation is in BCNF. If it is in BCNF, we can say every BCNF relation is also satisfying third normal form, 3NF we can say. But if LHS is not super key but RHS is prime attribute, then we can call that relation comes under 3NF relation but not in the BCNF normal form. Okay, keep in mind this point. Accordingly, you can check each of the options. Now coming to the first option, R has non-trivial functional dependency x to a where x is not super key. It is clearly mentioned x is not super key. If because x is not super key, definitely I can say it is not BCNF. First thing I can conclude, it is not BCNF. Why? Because BCNF requires left hand side should be super key. Okay, and A is a prime attribute. A is a prime attribute. Because left hand side not super key but right hand side is a prime attribute, then we can say the dependency is satisfying third normal form. Now I can say answer for this question is option A, satisfying a non-trivial functional dependency that is in 3NF but not in BCNF. And we also check for other options, why other options are wrong. Observe, R has non-trivial functional dependency x to a where x is not super key. Because it is not super key is mentioned, now I can conclude with this option it is not BCNF. Because question is not BCNF but 3NF but not BCNF. So first thing, it is anyhow not BCNF. And A is non-prime attribute. Here it is given A is non-prime attribute. Non-prime attribute is nothing but a non-key. So means here LHS of a dependency is not non-key. Sorry, not a super key. We call it is non-key. And RHS is clearly mentioned, it is a non-key. Such non-key relationship we call it is transitive dependencies. If it is transitive dependency, we can say it is in 2NF but not 3NF. So that clearly option B is not satisfying the 3NF definition. So option B is wrong. Option C, R has non-trivial functional dependency x to a. Here also it is clearly mentioned x is not super key. Because x is not super key, first thing I conclude is it is not BCNF. And second thing, A is non-prime attribute. A is non-prime attribute because right side is non-prime attribute is mentioned. It means that right side is a non-key. And also mentioned x is proper subset of some key. Proper subset of some key we call it is part of some key. It means the dependencies of the form part of key to non-key. That part of key to non-key form we call it is a partial functional dependency. If relation having partial functional dependency, we can say such relations are in 1NF, first normal form, but not in second normal form. So it is not in 2NF means it definitely not in 3NF. So that option C is also incorrect. Now coming to option D, SL means attribute of a relation, holds a set instead of atomic values. Here for this option it is very clear that attribute is containing set of values but not atomic values. But every relation in the relational model need to contain atomic values. But it is not containing atomic values means it is not belonging to any normal form. We call it as none of the normal form, means not even the first normal form. Even the first normal form requires atomic values, because even atomic values are also not satisfying. So we can call it is not 1NF. It is simply say none of the normal form. So it is, if it is not 1NF, definitely it is not 2NF. It is not 2NF, and it is not 3NF, because the question asked it should be in 3NF but not BCNF. So that option D is also wrong. So only option A is the correct answer.